Welcome to Code Map. Today we are going to discuss daily lead code challenge, minimum upset and minimum absolute difference in BST. Now let's discuss the question. Given a root of a binary source tree, return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different node in the tree. Now let's discuss it with the given with the example discuss. Now here we can see that the minimum absolute difference between this node and this node is 1, and also difference between this node is also 1, and also difference between 4 and 3 is also 1, and for difference between the 4 and 6 is 2. So the minimum difference is 1. So answer for this test case is 1. Now let's discuss the logic how we can do this. Now we know that the in-order traversal of the binary search tree gives gives the value of the tree in sorted order. So if I will do an in-order traversal for this tree, then I will get the value as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. And now, if we want the minimum difference between any two node or two value, we can do it by subtracting any two adjacent value. Suppose if I will subtract this value from this, then I will, whatever the difference between these two values uh, will be greater than the difference between the adjacent value. So the difference between 1 and 2 is 1, but difference between 1 and 3 is 2. So to get the minimum absolute difference, we need we need to subtract, or we need to get the difference between the two adjacent values. So this is the logic. Now let's discuss the code. Now here I have taken a priv as int max, because when we start from the root, the previous value for the root will be previous value. There will be no previous value for the root, or there will be no previous value for the starting value of the in-order traversal of the tree. So initially I have taken previous as int max. Now I have called the function solve, and in that I have passed the root of the tree and previous value. Now coming to this solve function, here I have written int max when the root is null, and after that what I have done, I have called the recursion on the left of the tree, and whatever result I get from the left subtree, I am storing it in the variable left. And what I'm doing after that, I am calculating the result for the current node. So what I'm doing, I am subtracting pre from the root value, and I am storing it into the current variable. And after that, I'm assigning pre as the root value. And after that, what I'm doing, I'm calling recursion on the right of the subtree, and whatever result I'm getting from that, I'm storing it in the right. So you can see that this is the in order traversal. First I have called left, then I have done calculation for the root, and then I have called the equation for the right, means left, root, right. So this is the in order traversal part. Now after that, what I have done, I have returned the minimum of left, right, and here it will be current, left, right, and current. Now let's run this code. Now we can see that it successfully passed the given test case. Now let's submit it. Now we can see that our code has successfully passed all the test cases. Thank you for watching the video.